Good morning. So the update from the sick house. Julian is better, which is amazing because he was the last person to get sick. He's better. He just has a little bit of a cough, and he's fully energized, and he'll be going to rehearsal double masked tonight, unless something changes and he like all of a sudden relapses or something. Ethan's fever broke overnight, which is fantastic. And Gabriel has energy, and he just has a cough. So I'm probably going to be trying every home remedy I can possibly find, putting him in the shower, slathering him with Vicks Vapor Rub, all of the stuff. But in the meantime, both of the younger boys have an appetite, and they have asked for cereal and yogurt. So I made these little parfait cups, and I'm going to take them up to them right now. It's been a day, and it's not over. I am about to take Julian to Evie's because I think they're playing pickleball, and yeah, look, I'm not wearing a coat. It's like 60 degrees outside. It's amazing. But Gabriel's nose is running now, and I'm a little congested, but that could be because I taught Gabriel how to use the neti pot today. So my nose is like, ooh, hey, hi. But I don't know, he is coughing. When I get home from taking Julian to Evie's, I'm gonna try to get Gabriel to vocalize. I don't know. He says he doesn't feel sick. Like he's feeling okay, and he has energy. He's like doing his school and everything, and but he's just coughing, and now he's like sneezing and his nose is running. So I'm making him do the neti pot a few times a day, and yeah. So Gabriel and I are taking a walk to the end of the block.
I've been in nature for like
you haven't been out
days.
Yeah, you haven't been outside for longer than that. You haven't been outside since like last Friday, right?
Yeah.
Thursday. No, Friday, because we came home on Friday. So he's getting some fresh air. I just got an email from the stage manager. They're not shooting the video until Saturday. I had like moved past it and just, it's something that I was going to be disappointed about, but at the same time, like, I understand they needed to get it done. But that is the best news I've heard today. We got Julian to his rehearsal, and we are sitting at Culver's. I never have waffle cones. Horatio talked me into it. He said, let's splurge. And I said, okay. Final clip. So, we picked up Julian, and now we're home. Gabriel's already asleep. And Ethan is trying to decide what medicine to take, or if he's going to take any medicine. His symptom is a stuffy nose. So, I don't know. I think that you could... I'm not sure what to do. So, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So, I'm really hoping that Gabriel will wake up and feel better. He feels okay. It's just the cough, the silly cough. I'm hoping that he gets up and is like, hey, look at me, I can sing. That sounded really stupid. Look at me, I can sing. That's what I'm hoping for. So anyway, until tomorrow.